Unveiling the ultimate carpet cleaning solution. Introducing the carpet cleaner machine. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and odors with ease. Our innovative technology ensures deep, thorough cleaning, leaving your carpets looking and smelling fresh. Experience convenience and effectiveness like never before with the carpet cleaner machine. There are many products available to choose carpet cleaner machine, each with different characteristics. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best carpet cleaner machine from reputable brands. After much study, I discovered these products are a lot helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Hoover Power Dash Pack Carpet Cleaner. Easy cleaning simplified. A conservative answer for immaculate spaces. Experience the comfort of easy cleaning with our lightweight and reduced plan, custom made for productive cleaning and simple stockpiling. Worn out on grappling with cumbersome cleaners. Our smoothed out model guarantees that cleaning up is a breeze, whether it's handling pet wrecks, high traffic regions, region carpets, or those bothersome little spaces that frequently get ignored. Controlled by cutting-edge heat force innovation, our cleaner guarantees quicker drying times, permitting you to get back to your newly cleaned covers quickly. Express farewell to extended holding up periods and hide to immaculate floors quickly. Pets can be muddled, however our cleaner is capable. With a particular brush roll intended to battle smells and tackle pet-related stains, keeping a perfect climate has never been simpler. Have confidence that each utilization leaves your rugs unblemished as well as safeguards your unit against waiting smells. Furthermore, to kick off your cleaning process, we incorporate a preliminary size of our powerful rug cleaning arrangement. Improve your cleaning execution and accomplish faultless outcomes easily. Number 2. Bissell Turbo Clean Power Brush Pet Carpet Cleaner. Supporting pets with each buy. Bissell's obligation to creature government assistance. At Bissell, we're not just about giving first-rate cleaning arrangements, we're likewise committed to having a constructive outcome on the existences of pets out of luck. That is the reason we gladly support the Bissell Pet Establishment and its honorable mission to save and track down cherishing homes for destitute pets. With each buy, you're not simply putting resources into an item, you're adding to the prosperity of creatures the nation over. Furnished with a liberal 20-foot power line, our corded cleaner offers the opportunity and adaptability to arrive at each edge of your home without problem. Controlled by imaginative 4-column deep-reach power brush roll innovation, it easily lifts away obstinate soil and stains that vacuums frequently abandon, guaranteeing a genuinely profound clean. From high-traffic regions to comfortable niches and region floor coverings, our cleaner is intended to handle extreme pet wrecks, any place they happen. Its lightweight and minimal plan make cover cleaning a breeze, giving strong execution in a helpful bundle. Number 3. Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe Carpet Cleaner. Easy profound cleaning. Altering home rug care. Express farewell to obstinate soil and stains with our state-of-the-art spin scrub brushes, designed to intensely extricate profound installed grime with 360-degree inclusion. Delicate yet compelling, these brushes, joined areas of strength forthwith, guarantee a careful clean without compromising the honesty of your rug. Not anymore sitting around idly for rugs to dry. With heat force innovation, drying times are fundamentally decreased, permitting you to continue your day-to-day exercises right away quickly. Handling extreme stains is a breeze with our thorough arrangement of included devices and hose. From upholstery to steps, our flexible gear guarantees no spot goes untreated. Our double tank innovation works on the cleaning system, with independent tanks for spotless and filthy water. Filling, exhausting, and flushing are easily smoothed out, upgrading both accommodation and cleanliness. Experience uniform cleaning and drying with our double V-spout, which gives equivalent pull across surfaces to reliable outcomes in record time. With each buy, you'll get a 8-feet hose, step device, upholstery instrument, hull device, and an example container of our superior rug cleaning arrangement, guaranteeing you have all that you really want for an immaculate clearing experience from the outset. Number 4. Hoover Smart Wash Automatic Cleaner Machine. Easy cleaning advancements. We're classifying rug care experience the eventual fate of cleaning with our trigger-less plan, which consequently blends and administers arrangement as you push forward, taking out mystery and smoothing out your cleaning schedule. Presenting the imaginative Spot Chaser Pre-Treat Wand, a unique advantage for handling set-in stains. Confine it from the machine for moment cleaning activity, joined by the included pre-treat answer for unrivaled stain evacuation. Express farewell to long drying times with our Dry Just mode, supplemented by intensity power innovation for quick rug drying, permitting you to get back to your everyday exercises quickly. Planned explicitly for animal people, our Flex Power Pet Power brushes are prepared to battle pet stains and scents. These brushes infiltrate profound, opposing scent develop, while productively eliminating soil, trash, and pet wrecks from your home. With our double tank framework, water and arrangement stay separate from the grimy water tank, guaranteeing ideal cleaning execution like clockwork. Number 5. Bissell Little Green Pro Portable Carpet Cleaner. Supporting pets with each buy. Bissell's obligation to creature government assistance with each buy. You're not simply putting resources into an item, you're adding to the honorable reason for saving destitute pets. Bissell gladly remains behind the Bissell Pet Establishment, committed to protecting and tracking down adoring homes for creatures out of luck. Outfitted with a 5-foot hose and bragging a power rating 5.7 amps, our corded cleaner offers unrivaled execution and comfort. Its versatile plan, complete with a convey handle, guarantees easy mobility for handling stains any place they might be. Experience a definitive in spot and stain cleaning with our most remarkable cleaner yet. Sufficiently flexible to deal with floor coverings, steps, upholstery, auto insides, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. It joins prevalent pull, scouring activity, and an expert cleaning recipe for ideal outcomes. Accomplished proficient style cleaning brings about the solace of your own home. Our strong profound cleaner successfully eliminates where it counts soil and stains, re-establishing newness to your residing spaces. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you want greater information or in case you need to realize product price, do check out my description. For any type of hassle, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.